This is a video walkthrough tour of 5458 West Palmaire Avenue in Glendale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment home in Glendale. Inside, the kitchen is light and bright, featuring a refrigerator, microwave, and oven range. You'll also find upgraded wood grain tile floors and bright gray tone walls that create a modern feel. Other features include ceiling fans, as well as a spacious bathroom that offers a clean, stylish touch with a tile surround tub and shower. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Outside, enjoy a large fenced backyard that provides plenty of private space. The backyard also includes a laundry room with hookups for a washer and dryer. Apply today.